Motion versus Notion, which is better? First, Motion is an AI-powered task and calendar management app that automatically schedule your day by fitting tasks into available time slot. It's perfect if you want a hand-off approach to staying organized and maximizing productivity. Meanwhile, Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, database, and project management. It's highly customizable and great to individuals or teams who want to build their own workflow from scratch. To sum up, pick Motion if you want AI to plan your day automatically, and choose Notion if you want a flexible platform to create personalized productivity system. Subscribe to see more video like this.